get mad stripes when you beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab. Hit a voicemail, I can't talk, I'm in the lab. Neck wetter than a bath. Back then they used to laugh. Hoes on me like the crabs. Slow neck me, no giraffe. Falling for these hoes, boy, you weak. I really come from nothing. It get grimy, it get deep. Was in a French Quarter trying to stick some for the week. Now my diamonds look like yellow bees.
It's the Maverick and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have a banger. We have a really dope shoe. I'm really excited for this release. As you can see by the box, you know what we have. We have the Green Spark Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks. Definitely super excited. Definitely a shoe that is like super loud. I mean, you'll see. All right. So before we get started, you know we're still on the road to 10K subscribers. So make sure that y'all keep subscribing. Also, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the feedback. I still really appreciate y'all showing love to the channel. So thank you for that. All right, now let's get into it. So this is the box. Always love the box. I love every Travis Scott box. Before I get started on this review, y'all let me know, like, are Jumpman Jacks dead already? These shoes came out not too long ago. So is this exact model dead on arrival? Like, I'm not hearing a lot about these Jumpman Jacks at all. Hasn't been a lot of chatter about it at all. A lot of people are saying that this one should have dropped before St. Patrick's Day, considering like the color scheme and everything, which I agree actually. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comments. Do y'all think Jumpman Jacks are dead even though they just arrived? Let me know. All right, back to the box. This is the box here. Always love the box. This is how they come wrapped. There's a few things here in the box before we get to the shoes. We have these laces. I like these lace swaps. Also, the size tag, it reads Green Spark Vapor Green Black. They come double wrapped, of course. Also come with a warning on it saying that the jack at the bottom will fade over time from wear and tear and stuff like that. Definitely a very nice shoe. I love the colors. I think like I said, the St. Patrick's Day thing definitely should have dropped before that, or even Halloween. This would have been a good Halloween shoe. But if you know how to dress, the colors don't matter. Definitely don't want to see no green and black fits. Come with something different. I would like to see what y'all gonna wear. But yeah, so let's get into the shoe. We have that nice green color. Very nice green. I actually have some ones this color, some mid. This is how they look. As you can see, they have that lighter green here on the swoosh, reverse swoosh. And then on this side, have that symboling here. Jumpman with the crown here on the tongue. Also have another one of his symbols on the heel. So also there's a lot of like details in the material, like this material on the toe box here. This suede is different from here near the swoosh. That's different. If you look closely, it has like little circles there. Then also this is different here. This is like more of a nylon material here. The green all together is like a matte, it's a matte green. And the bottom, I would say pretty sturdy at the bottom. Here's the bottom of the shoe, the jack. Again, this will wear over time from wear. Show y'all the inside. It says T-Rex on the inside. This is how they look on the inside. all his symbols, and it says T-Rex on it. So there's black laces here, green sock lining. Again, they have the lace swaps. I think this might be a nice one. These are coming out March 28th. The retail is $205 plus tax, which not a bad price. But yeah, like I said, these are coming out March 28th. Retail price of $205. They're coming out in men's sizes. This is the Green Spark Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks. Definitely a fire shoe. I love this shoe, love the colors. So let me know in the comments if y'all copping or if y'all even get that lucky. But this has been another episode of Shoe Talk. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. 10K subscribers this year. Make sure y'all keep subscribing. And thank y'all for watching. Peace.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail. I can't